We're going to take a probably no more than a 5 minute view, if that, of the futures market. We're looking at the S&P 500, and we're pushing right up in here. High MACD, high stochastic, and what we see is if we punch up through 2407, give us an outside view of the Bollinger Band, and then if in the next day or two can close underneath, that will give us a Bollinger sell, and we think would start a correction at minimum down into this area of 2266. And that looks to be in the cards. Let's take a look at the NQ. Same thing with this is that tremendous run we've had. MACDs are closing down, stochastics are closing down, momentum is tiring. If we could somehow manage, it might be best that we do a spike up into 54.38, 53.40, up outside the Bollinger Band, and then close down in within the next day or two. We think that'll give us our reversal, a nice reversal signal, and we could have a pullback easily down to 51.19 on the NASDAQ. We'll see if we get this outside reversal from the Bollinger. Let's take a look at the Dow. And same look. We still have we have more momentum off the MACD up in here on the Bollinger. Once again, if we could spike outside the Bollinger, which would be a spike above 2275, ideally maybe a close above it, and then move down and close below that, we would constitute a nice high side reversal off the Bollinger and expect to revert back down to 19,720. And let's take a look at the Russell, the weakest of the four. And she consolidated, moved up, doesn't have nearly the momentum. You can see the divergence on the stochastic. But once again, if we could get outside this Bollinger, would probably be better off at 1425, a close above 1425, and then a close inside and see it reverse, and then be back down to 1352, and then we would take things on from there. That's what we see in the 2 or 3 minute little daily chart. I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. If you like this sort of thing, feel free to give us a follow. However, be forewarned, we don't show charts day in and day out. What we show is more important. It's the swing machine and the timing models. Check us out.